car backing up and there was a car next to me. I was doing a peg wheelie and I like swerved in between them. Be sure, like, zoom in on that, show them. I got skills for an old man.
So you guys might remember this place from yesterday. I'm back. Back again. I look pretty good. So, no tattoos for Catfish. Now we're just on a mission, going through the city, just checking out stuff. Like he's down there.
Statue of Jan Hendrik. It's Jimi Hendrix's dad. It was erected in 1977. You see who it is? J.C. Smuts. He's one of the best pole vault. What the fuck is that thing? Holy shit! Can't believe it. I was in New Zealand last week, and there's a fucking kiwi bird right here. Jack the Swagger Jacker, showing you guys the world. Who knew that Walt Disney was a fucking Nazi?
That guy over there, or it's a fatty boom boom.
That's right.
Who came up with that name?
Healthy living, baby. No bikes. No bikes on the escalator.
So a couple hours in the future and we're about to go to Night Harvest. Finally. I think we're like the last 3 guys to go.
Yo, I say fuck dinner and lunch. I don't need breakfast. I lose my cell phone. That's why I got a damn necklace. Good-looking men out here. Good smell. Upside down men. Feet off upside down men.
So, let me explain what's going on. We just finished the mountain bike. BMX practice going on now. We're about to start.
Oh, I think I got the fever. I'm heated. Pumping up the meter. Roll me a ringleader, bad party bleeder. Niggas with a storm. Lead after lead after leader. Hey, can you dig it? I come alive, y'all give me what you got. Back up, pump, stick up, pump your fist up. You check the shadow, no buckshots, a bus slip up. Yeah, to make it feel alright. Move it up all night. Body rock, show me what you got. Make my break. Yeah, to make it feel alright. Move it up all night. Body rock, show me what you got. Make my break. Do you wanna get check it out, check it out, check it, 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 check it out, check it.